You? If you are learning probability at school, send me a message. I will send you a link for YouTube video about the probability like I teach other group, okay, probability like a tree diagram, Venn diagram, conditional probability, independent, those stuff For our group, we need to revise some differentiation. Of course, we start integration. Okay. Oh, okay. If you are learning probability at school, message me on. I can give you. I think you need the year 12 probability, but year 12 probably year 11 probably pretty similar. Pretty similar. Okay. I mean, for the tree diagram, Venn diagram part is quite similar. We have a question from textbook, like the typical question. We check one typical question for differentiation first. Oh, okay. I need to send the, okay. I see. So I'm still doing probability. The question from here. It's like this page. It's like this page. This is just a page from textbook. Why we select this one out? Because this one really important. You need a double dash to determine the nature mixed with algebra. Mixed with algebra. We check one question together. Okay, we check one question together. Okay, check which one look annoying. The question with fraction is harder than just the typical polynomial. So we check 2f together. We check 2f together. 2f together. The idea here, we need to differentiate 2f or 2d. They're all like a pretty annoying. 2f, question 2f. For 2f, we need to differentiate. In the question, I already told you we need to differentiate. Okay, so for differentiation, you need to calculate what's dy dx. Oh, this one means double dash. It means double dash. This function is an algebraic fraction. So this year, we have to split them. It's like y equals x minus 3 over x squared. Okay, we need to change to x minus 3 times x negative 2. Because divided by x squared, it's like x to the power negative 2. Which is, if you expanded, x negative 1 minus 3x negative 2. Okay, now if we differentiate hard algebra, negative 1 x negative 2 plus 6x negative 3. The only formula we used, just like axn if you find the gradient, an x n minus 1. Okay? Oh, double dash 2x negative 3, negative 18x negative 4. Yeah, that's the derivative, the first derivative and the second derivative. Yeah, we use this question like revise a little bit differentiation the algebra. This one mixed indices. This is negative 1 over x squared. This is 6 over x3. You make them 0 for a stationary point. Okay, let's solve the equation. Solving the equation with fraction, you can do common denominator or you can move around, cross multiply. If you make a common denominator, x equals 6. Denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so numerator equals 0. That's why x equals 6. And now, check here. This is 2 over x3, 18 over x4. If x equals 6, right, how about the value here? The value, if x equals 6, oh my, you got 2 over 6/3 minus 18 over 6 to the power 4. It's a negative number. It's a negative number. If double dash negative, the curve like a set face, and dash equals 0, that would be this point. Therefore, x equals 6 give a maximum point. Maximum point. Okay? You also need a y value. Y equals x minus 3 over x squared, which is 3 over 36, 1 over 12. So 6, 1 over 12 is a maximum value. It's a maximum value. Oh, so many students doing probability. Maybe we can check probability today. And for yes, you can like, I'll give you videos.
Okay.
Like
Thank you.
Tuesday, Friday, they all doing like integration. I can give you their videos.
Thank
Let's
you.
check probability. Probability. Probability, like a lot of students hate probability. Too many words. Too many words. That's why we hate probability. Yeah, we check probability. Actually, yes, already know tree diagram, Venn diagram from last year. Okay. This is also in AS, year 12. Cool. Okay. Let's check probability. Like what part in probability covered in year 12?